Hey, another strategy. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Teacher Autumn. Hello. um, we're talking about strategies we use within my preschool special ed classroom. And you can do at home or you can actually implement some of these strategies in your own classroom. So this is I want strip. In another video I talked about our core boards. Not all our students use core boards. Some of them we're using these strips. And how this works is we might use it during snack time. So they might say animal cracker. And so let's just say they say animal cracker. And so then we just say want animal cracker. Build, if they have one word, we build a second word or a third word into their vocabulary. We model it. So if they say want animal crackers, we might say, I want animal crackers. So we really use this to help them see that we can add more words into their vocabulary. And it also cues them, oh, so we point at it and wait to see if they say I. So there's different ways that we use this particular visual, and we could use it not just for snacks, but for example, I want bubbles. So maybe they just say bubbles, and you would say, want bubbles? I want bubbles. And so that's how that's used. They might also point just at the bubbles or want bubbles and do it that way. They may not even use it, verbal words as quite yet, or maybe they could say bubbles and they're still say wa for want. So we actually say, oh, I want bubbles, because they did say it. We don't correct it. We just modeled the correct thing. If you have any questions, leave comments. Thanks.